Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Is my voice audible? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You all people got that message what I sent? Yes or not? I sent one message just 40 minutes back. All of you got that message? Yes?
Sir, sorry, what message, sir?
I sent one message that you all people sit with your calculator. Join DSP class with calculator.
Okay.
Didn't got
No, sir.
Pro Zealand only I
He didn't
sent.
get, sir.
You didn't got
Yes, sir.
You please sit with your calculator. Okay, we will do the calculation part today. No problem. All of you please sit with your calculator. So that the people will do the calculation. Good afternoon, Kalyan Babu sir. Kalyan Babu sir, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Kalyan Babu sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Lunch over, sir.
Lunch hour. Your lunch is over,
Or lunch over means tinnava, sir.
sir?
Tinnava, tinnandu.
Tinnava.
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 Novu tinnava, sir.
Tinnan, sir.
Chala correct na?
Correct, correct. Yes, sir.
Novu tinnava.
Yes, sir.
Means I will ask someone that lunch over or not means novu tinnava, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, you teach me Telugu. I really eager to learn.
Sir, you have the co-cube format.
No, I do. I want to ask you also. I don't have, sir.
Tomorrow is the last date. We have to send.
You have, sir, that format.
No, sir, I don't have the format.
Then how we will do?
I will go to college on Friday. I will give on Friday.
Friday will give, sir. But tomorrow they given na last date.
Tomorrow last date. Friday we can give what?
Sir, if you get copy format, then you just send me, sir.
Okay, sir. Definitely I will send. Okay, sir.
You got unit 3, 2 and 3, sir.
How many questions? 20 questions, huh?
20 questions.
10 from each unit.
10, no, sir. 20 from each unit, I think.
20 from.
20 from unit 2 and 20 from unit 3.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. It's time we start, sir.
30 students joined, 36 grade, 35 students joined, sir, actually.
Okay.
We'll wait 1 more minute.
Okay. So next Tuesday I will start FIR filters, sir.
Next Tuesday, sir. I
Yes.
think next Wednesday.
Okay.
We'll see, because today I will complete DIT, sir. I will do problem.
Okay.
Because derivations actually it is difficult to do online.
Yes.
Even offline it is difficult. Online is more difficult because screen is very less, na, sir. So I decided instead of going for, and derivation also it is required, but we'll see. And offline class will start again. I will do the derivation part.
Okay.
So today I thought I will say that method how to do FFT, direct method. That is useful for student.
Okay.
Usually, sir, that DIT and DIF algorithm I derived in my own way. But this time I found that online means screen is very small. It is difficult. It's very difficult to derive.
Okay. So I'll start on Wednesday, FIR filters.
I will try to finish. If you give some hour of your DSP left, then I will finish, sir.
Otherwise, next week, 23rd, you can take DSP lab. Only exam I'm putting.
Exam, how much hours, sir?
1 hour.
1 hour exam. When 23rd means Friday.
Friday, 11 to 12, you can take the class.
But Friday, sir, I am also having lab, 9 to 12. DP lab.
Lab only, no. You are a second member, eh?
No, I'm first in charge, DP lab.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Then Wednesday.
I'll start Wednesday, next Wednesday.
Wednesday, sir. Wednesday will start. I think you also feel too much bored. You cannot sit without teach, yes or not, sir? I know. That's why you're. But I'll finish, sir.
Okay.
But you all people are getting now what we are teaching in the second unit.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Student?
Yes, sir.
DFT, DFS, complete thing means all part you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
That is very, very important. Okay, 63 join. I just recall you people what I read, some tricks, something, but again, why people are getting late? It's 2:07 already.
That means
Yes.
Dasara days, no, sir. That's what they want to enjoy.
See, if you people, you know, sir, every time coming college only for these people. Okay. If people be little serious, join at least in time so that we will read more.
Yes.
Okay. Meanwhile, we'll start, sir.
Okay, okay.
Because already 69 students joined, they will join time to
Okay,
time.
start.
Okay, student, good afternoon again, all of you. I hope my voice is audible to all people. Yes? Okay, today I will say how to find DFT. Sorry, okay, DFT only, not sorry. DFT of a sequence using FFT DIT algorithm directly. Okay, step by step. But before that, I will say one trick how to find prill factor that is helpful for DFT and also FFT. See, for n equals to 4, how to find? I am giving one trick. Just you note n equals to 4 already I said. Again, I will say n equals to 8. Okay. See, n equals to 4, what if people will do? This already said, yes or not? This is 1 minus 1. Okay, we'll do this. N equals to 4. This is 1 minus 1 j minus j. Okay. So this is omega 4 0, omega 4 1, omega 4 2, omega 4 3. Only this 4 required, yes or not? Because you all people know that this omega 4 n is periodic with period of what? 4, yes or not? So means omega 4 0, omega 4 1, omega 4 2, omega 4 3. And what is this value? Omega 4 0 is 1, 1 is minus j, 2 is minus 1, and 3 is plus j. After that, it is periodic, means it will repeat. Okay. Then it will come like this: omega 4 4 also, omega 4 5, omega 4 6, omega 4 7, then omega 4, let this x, I am writing this x value. Okay, I am writing this x value. After 7 it is 8, 9, 10, means 8 means what? Omega 4, omega 4 9, omega 4 10, omega 4 11. It will continue. After that it is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, it will continue. Now, this is already said to people. Okay, and this is very important at the time of calculation of DFT. It is required and also FFT. Similarly, it's very easy. Now, I want to say how to find omega n, means omega 8 series. Let omega 8 x, how to find. Now, same circle, how to do. See, I'm using same circle only. Same 1, -1. This is J. This is a -J. Okay. Now, see, this is your omega 80. This is omega 81, omega 82. This is omega 83. This shortcut, omega 84, omega 85, omega 86, omega 87. Now see how people will do. It's very easy. Omega 80 is no doubt 1. Now omega 81 means, see, you take this and this. Okay, means is 1 real part, imaginary part by root 2. This is omega 81. Omega 82 no doubt -J. Then how is find omega 83? Same real part -1, imaginary part -J by root 2. Then omega 84 no problem. It's -1. How to find omega 85? Yes, -1 plus J by root 2. Okay. Now omega 86 no problem. It's J. And how to find omega 87? Same again. Real part plus imaginary part by root 2. 1 plus J by root 2. Understand? Now, this omega 8 x, I'm writing for x. Omega 8 x. Okay. Now, x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, again it will repeat 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again it will repeat 16, 17, 18. Yes or not? Like this it will go. It will go up to 23. Then again 24, 24, 25. It will go up to 31, then 32, 33. It will go like this, yes or not? So you required only these values. X equals to 0 to 7 values are required. After that, it will repeat. Not required to calculate higher order value because it's repeating. Getting or not, all of you? Yes or not? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the trick. If you remember, then not required to calculate this omega 8 value. Otherwise, you know the formula. What is the formula? Omega 8 is 8 power minus j 2 pi by 8. The formula people know, it's okay. Okay, you can use this formula. Omega 8 x means 8 power minus j 2 pi x by 8. You can do by using this formula. But if you know this circle, then it is very easy. Yes or not? So within 30 seconds, you can write, means you can get all this value, then you can use it for your exam. Clear? Now I will start your DIT algorithm. Already 15 steps, so many students not joined. Huh? Okay. Now say step by step I will say how to do. Please you people make note. DIT Radix 2 algorithm. Okay. Just forget the event part or for everything. Now I will say the method how to do. Just focus on the method. Okay. Now first, this is step 1 what to do. Okay. the input to radix to DIT algorithm is bit reversal of given input. Means what is the first step is what is your given input? X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7. This is the your given input. Now first what to do? First find bit reversal. Means see I'm taking only inside part. X will add later. 0 means 0 0 0. 1 means 0 0 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now do the bit reversal, means write the bits in reverse order. Okay. Then 0 0 0. This is reverse order.
Sir, 7 is
1 0
triple
0.
one, sir.
0 1 0.
Sir,
Triple one. Correct, sir. Actually, here today's writing problem, sir. Okay, triple one. Here maybe some problem in the system. When I'm trying to write, getting some problem. No problem. Okay. Now 0 1 1 is 1 1 0. Just write in the reverse order. 0 0 1. This is your 1 0 1 only. 0 1 1. And this is 1 1 1. Okay. Now this 0 0 0 means what is this value?
0.
Then what is this value?
4.
Good. Then
2.
Then
6.
6. Then
1.
Then
5.
5. Then
3. 3. 7.
3. Then finally it is a 7. Okay. Means now input to DIT algorithm is your X0. You have to write like this. X4. These are the input. First is input X4, X2, X6, X1, X5, X3, X7. Okay. Clear? This is X3. X3, X7. Please make note. I'm just giving 1 minute time. All of you make note. Okay. This is the input. So first, whatever the sequence given, first you have to do the bit reversal part. This I will take as input instead of a sequence, means serial. Completed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the first step. Okay. Then come to second step. Now see what to do. Step 2. I will say stage by stage calculation. Okay. Now stage 1 calculation I will show you. First what to do, write like this. Same. X0, X4 means bit or reversal order. X2, X6, X1, X5, x3, then x7. Okay. So first write as usual. Now what you will do, I will say. Okay. Now in the stage 1, what to do? Simple. It's very easy. Just to make a straight line like this. If you not make also okay, but I'm make a straight line. Now see, it is you have to use the butterfly. Butterfly, you remember na? DIT butterfly. Remember or not? Last class I said the DIT
sir.
butterfly. X1, X2, then omega and k. Okay, I'll remind you people. See how is the butterfly? Already I said, again just recall. Okay, if it is x1, x2, this is omega and k, then the upper point is x1, omega and k, x2, lower point x1 minus omega and k, x2. This is important for DIT. You have to remember this butterfly. DIT butterfly. Okay, now I will use this. Now see what to do. It's very simple. For stage 1, you have to create butterfly like this. See, 1 down, 1 up. We have to take sequence order. 1 down, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up. Okay, and this is your omega at 0, omega at 0, omega at 0. Okay, and let these values let this is P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. So this is P0 to P7 are stage 1 output. Now can you say what is the value of P0, please? By using this butterfly.
X0 plus X4.
X0 plus omega at 0, X4, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is P1?
X0 minus omega 80 x4.
Good. X4. What is P2?
X2 plus omega 80 X6. Sir.
X6. Very good. What is P3?
X2 minus omega 80 x6.
P4?
X1.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
5. P5. It is X5. P6. P6 X3 plus omega 80 X7, and finally P7 X3 minus omega 80 X7. Okay, clear? Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
You please write this formula, so we will use at the time of some problem solution. Okay, all of you write this formula. It is very easy. Even though you will not write, we can know by using the butterfly. That's why the butterfly is very important. If you understand the butterfly, then equations are easy. Okay. So this is your stage 1 calculation. All of you clear or any doubt? Clear? This is the stage 1 calculation. Then come to stage 2. See, stage 1 is over. Now stage 2. So in stage 1, what you taken the output? P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. These all are calculated values, and not because x of n is given, means they will give in question. Then you have to calculate this value according to the formula what I given. Now see, stage 2, what you people will do, I will say. How you people will create a butterfly. Just follow me, okay? Stage 1, what you did, stage 1 you taken like this sequentially, but here in stage 2, means stage 1 what you did, stage 1 you taken 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, yes or not? See, stage 1 you take to create butterfly, you taken 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, okay? Means in sequence order you taken, but in stage 2 you have to take 1, 3, means like this. See, this is 1, then leave this to 3. This is one butterfly. Okay. Then how to do 1, 3. Next is 2, 4. See, I'm using different color for the butterfly so that you will understand. Then see 2, 4. Okay. Clear? Or you can say that 2 down, 2 up. And here this is your omega at 0, and this is your omega at 2. Okay. Then again down also will do same thing. See, I will create the butterfly. Again 4, 6 means you have to leave one thing, means one sample. Then second butterfly. See how I'm doing second butterfly. Okay, same thing. Again, this is your omega 8 2, and this is your omega at 0. So what you did in stage 1, you taken 1 down, 1 up, yes or not? Or you have taken sequential, but here see what I did. First third, second fourth, yes or not? Like this. Then fifth, seventh, sixth, eighth, like I take it. Or you can do like this also, directly 2 down, 2 up. Both are correct. Now you please say the equations. Let this is your Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Please tell the equation for Q0.
P0
Hmm.
plus omega at 0, P2.
Very good. Okay. Now Q1.
P1 plus omega at 2, P3.
Good. Now this 2 is plus means rest to minus, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Q2 is a P0 minus omega at 0, P2. P3 is a P1 minus omega at 2, P3. Or you see these butterflies, red color butterflies and blue color butterflies. Okay, and what the DIT butterfly use this concept x1 plus omega n k x2. Then we get. Okay. Now similarly, what is key for?
P4 plus
Hmm.
omega 8 0 P6.
Good. Q5.
P5 plus omega 8 2 P7.
Good. Then rest 2 is a minus, is another. Okay. Now this is your stage 2 calculation. Clear all of you? Then we'll go to the final stage. Because here capital N equals to 8, 8 means 2 to power 3. 3 stages are there. If N equals to 4 means 2 stages are there. Okay. Now, stage 3 calculation, see. Stage 3. Stage 3, again, we'll take an input like this. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Now this is the final. Okay. Now again, I will use different color for different butterfly. So what you did, first stage you did 1, 2 to create butterfly. Second stage you taken 1, 3, 2, 4. First stage the difference become 4, means 1, 5. See like this. 1, then see 1, 2, 3. You just leave it. Then 5 means 2 to power. First stage 2 to power 0 means no difference 1, 2, 3. Second stage it is 2 to power 1 means 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 2 4 like this. Third stage 2 to power 2, it is 4 differences. So first and fifth there will create one butterfly. This is your omega 8 0. Then I will do the next butterfly like this. Second to next, yes or not? All input is the first, is the second butterfly. Okay. Third butterfly. Third butterfly like this. Okay. This is your omega 8 2. The last butterfly. Just I am using different colors so that people will understand. Okay, last butterfly. This is your omega 8 3. You have to remember. First omega 8 0 only. Second omega 8 0, omega 8 2. Third 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how many butterflies? 4 butterflies or not? If you see each stage you will get 4 butterfly. 4 means always n by 2 butterfly will get. Okay. Now x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, capital X, sorry. 7. Okay. Now please tell me what is this equations. What is x of 0? Yes.
Q0 plus omega x0 Q4.
Very good. You just see this butterfly. That's why I'm using different color now. Still people are confused. Huh? Now what is x of 1?
Q1 plus omega 1 Q5.
Good. X of 2.
Q2 plus omega 2 Q6.
X3.
Q3 plus omega 3 Q7.
Q7. Okay. Then this 4 is minus, yes or not? First 4 plus, then next 4 is minus. Sorry. Q0 minus clear all of you? Yes or not? Yes. Section C. Section C student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And section D.
Yes, sir.
Understand not? Okay. Now I will give one problem. If people will find by using DIT algorithm. Now these all equations clear. Now see, I will explain this by using one problem. From here only I am writing one problem. Or let given is okay, here I am writing. Please write the problem. X of n given x of n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now find DFT. Find DFT using Radix to DIT algorithm. Using Radix to DIT algorithm. Please do it. I written here so that the people will understand more properly. This problem I taken from Ramesh Babu. Okay. Now what are the input? Say input in the bit reversal order x0, x4, x2, x6, x1, x5, x3, x7. What is x0 here? Say. What is the value of x0? See this sequence. 1. Not the value of x4. I am writing these values. X4, 4. X2 value 3. X6 2. Then x1 2. x5
3.
x3
4.
s3 4. x7
1.
good. Now then find this value of p0. Omega at 0 is 1. There is no doubt. You have calculator, please find p0 value. First is very easy. 1 plus 4, 1 minus 4. 3, because omega at 0 is 1, yes or not? 3 plus 2, 3 minus 2, like this. What the value? 1 plus omega 8.
4, sir. 5.
It's a
5.
5.
5, yes or not? Because 1 plus omega 8 0. Omega 8 0 is 1. Huh? This value is 1. We put it, and it is a 1 plus 4. 5. This is 1 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. What is this value? 3 plus 2. 5. This value. 3
5.
minus 2. 1. This value. 2 plus 3. 5. This value. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Finally, 4 plus 1. 5. This is a 4 minus 1. 3. Clear? Stage 1. Right? All of you write it. Those people completed, please go for stage 2 calculation. Completed, all of you? Can I go to the stage 2? Can I go stage 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Section C student, completed or not? Section C,
Yes, sir.
completed, na? Good. Now stage 2, please, you all people do. Now already P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 value you got. Omega 80 value you know, and omega 82. What is the value of omega 82? Okay, I'm writing for you. Omega 82 value is minus, yeah. Otherwise, you just see the circle. If you see the circle, see omega 82 minus j. Okay, we can do like this. Now you all people do the calculation. Now I will write for your convenience. P0 is 5, P1 is minus 3, it is 5, 1, 5 minus 1, 5, 3. Now all value are written. Please find Q0, Q1, all these values and tell me one by one.
Sir, 10.
Okay, good. Q0 is 10.
Minus 3 minus j.
Very good. Minus 3 minus j.
0.
0.
Minus 3 plus j.
Minus 3 plus j.
10.
10.
Minus 1 minus 3j.
Minus 1 minus 3j.
0.
0.
Minus 1 plus 3j.
Very good. Minus 1 plus 3j. Please, all of you, verify this. Then you go for stage 3 calculation, Amruta. Okay. Rest people, please verify it. See, if you people will not do calculation by yourself, you will struggle in exam, because in exam obviously you will get a stage 1. What is the stage 1? This value. Stage 2, this value. Or stage 3, this value. Like this we will ask. Now if you copy here, it's guaranteed from my side, you cannot do in exam. It will take lots of time to practice here. Don't just copy. I'm giving time, you people, I'm not writing. Just giving, you do the calculation, verify, then I will go. We gave me 2-minute time, do it and verify it. Meanwhile, Amrita and Sarabia, you both go for stage 3 because you completed stage 2. Now all of you completed section C student. All of you completed. Can I go to stage 3, section C? Section C student. Is it completed? Just answer. Section C. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Akhil. Completed now? Section D.
Completed, sir.
Completed. You are completed. Yes. So it will now we'll move to stage 3. Okay. And this is your stage 3, final stage. Please do the calculation. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, all values you know already. Okay, or if you want, I will write. Q0 is 10, Q1 minus 3 minus J, Q2 0, Q3 minus 3 plus J, Q4 10, Q5 minus 1 minus 3J, Q6 0, and Q7 minus 1 plus 3J. Now you calculate for this final value. This value represents the DFT. Once you complete, you tell me. For this omega 8 1 2 3 value, please refer the circle what I given today. Already I given this circle. Please refer this circle for omega 8 1 2 3 value. 0 is 1, 1 2 3 value. Please refer this circle. Anyone who got this answer? No one. Roll number 32, Navin, mute yourself. Anyone who got this answer? No one. Anyone from section C who got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Got Sabya, good. Section D.
Same, sir.
Got no?
Yes.
Anyone else? All of you who got the answer, please raise your hand so that I will see here. Just raise your hand. Only 2 students got. Whatever rest people. Only 2. Whatever rest people. Everything I written, na? Formula written, values written. You don't have calculator or what?
Yes, sir. We got in terms of root, sir.
No, you have to write in this form, okay?
Sir.
Okay, you have to find the value also. Because in exam, you have to, offline exam means you have to write all these values. Online also you will get option like this only. Okay, after getting all the 3 stage value, see, if it is offline exam, online means not required to represent, offline means how people represent, just I am showing. Now complete butterfly diagram, I will show you people. Now n equals to 8 means there is no doubt 3 stages. First write in the bit reversal form. X0, X4. Means you combine all the 3 stages. That is only nothing else. X1, X5, X3, X7. Now n equals to 8. No doubt there is a 3 stages. See, my plots are not proper straight line lines, but you do straight line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 stages. Okay. Now simple. What to do? See, like this you do. Now I will show you the complete butterfly diagram. First is 1 down. If people please use scale. I'm using here is difficult to plot, but I'm trying 1 down, 1 up. See, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up. And these all are omega at 0. Okay. First is over. This is stage 1. Now stage 2. Stage 2. See how I'm doing. Just 2 down, or I will use different color like before. 2 down, 2 up. But you can use single color in exam, no problem. Okay. Similarly, here also. See. Like the same, what I did. Okay, this is stage 2. If exam is offline, you have to represent like this. Stage 2. And these values you know. This is omega at 0. This is omega at 2. 0. Omega at 2. Now third stage. See how you carry, how you are creating butterfly. 1, then leave 3. 1, 2, 3. And you start from here. So my diagrams are not good. Again. Get them 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you use scale, it will look beautiful. But here I'm using omega 0, omega 2. Exam is offline. After doing a calculation of stage 1, these all people know P0, P1 up to P7. This is Q0, Q1 up to Q7. See, PQ is not fixed. You can take any symbol. L, M, N, anything you can take. Okay, no problem. Means in offline exam, after calculating stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 value, you have to do this diagram and you have to write this XK value. Clear or any doubt? Okay, clear all of you? Yes?
Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is your DIT for n equals to 8 point. Very quickly, I will go for n equals to 4 point because same process. N equals to 4 point, it will take maximum 5 minutes. Same, n equals to 4, x0, x1, x2, x3, then bit reversal 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, do the bit reversal. And this is your 0, 2, 1, 3. What is the input? X0, x2, x1, x3. This become input to 4 point. Yes or not? 4 point DIT reduced to algorithm. First stage of first step over bit reversal. Okay. Now what is the second step? Same process. You please follow same process. See how I'm doing. X0, x1, x2, x3. Then how many stages here? N equals to 4. Yes.
Stages.
How many stages? For n equals to 8, 3 stages. N equals to 4 means
Yes.
very good. It is a 2 stage only because 2 to power 2 is equals to 4 or log 2 4 equals to 2. 2 stage. Now see, like before, first stage say 1 down, 1 up. No change. 1 down, 1 up. And this is your omega 4 0. Omega 4 0. Now second stage, let's see. Okay, again I will use second stage. First, then third. Again, get 1, 2, 3, madam. Again, second.
Sir. Sir,
Oh.
input we need to take x0, x2, x1, x3, no sir.
Yes. Okay, x0, very good. X0, x2, then this is x1, x3. Now correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bit reversal. Thank you. See, x0, x2, x1, x3. Thank you. x0, x2, x1, x3. Then this is your omega 4 0 and this is your omega 4 1. Now this part you will do na calculation by yourself. Same butterfly diagram. Yes or not? Can you do?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. Yes or not? Or I will write again. It's very simple. See, this is a x0 plus x2. Yes or not? Same if you take p0, p1, p2, p3. This is not required because x0, x1, x2, x3. Then what is p0? x0 plus x2, p1, x0 minus x2, p2, x1 plus x3. Because omega 4 0 is there, but omega 4 0 equals to 1. That's why I'm taking like this. p3, x1 minus x3. Okay. Now what is x0 value? Yes, x0. Someone?
E0
0
plus omega 40 plus
P.
P2.
Very good. Then what is x1?
P1 plus
P1 plus
omega 4 1 P3.
very good. P3. The next two is minus. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
P0 minus omega 40 P2 and this x3 equals to P1 minus omega 41. It is a P3. Okay, this for 4 point. For number of stage means say number of stage equals to log to capital N. This is the formula. Now n equals to 4, 2 stage, n equals to 8, 3 stage, and each stage contain n by 2 butterfly. Each stage. Now first stage 2 butterfly, second also 2 butterfly. 2 means 4 by 2 equals to 2. This is important for your means multiple choice type of question. Clear all of you? Now we'll stop here. Okay, next class again we will do one 4-point TFT problem by using Redis 2 DIT algorithm, and I will explain. I will not explain that. I will say the algorithm because the main problem is when you will do the explanation in this small screen, it is difficult. But meanwhile, I will write and I will upload. Like before I given the explanation in a pen and paper, I uploaded in the GLearn. Same way, I will do the complete derivation. I will upload and I will say the algorithm like your DIT algorithm. Okay, and we'll do. We'll stop here. Okay, Kalyan Babu sir, we'll stop here.
Yes, sir. We'll stop here for today.
Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you,
Sir,
Kalyan Babu sir.
3C students. Hello. You have an exam, lab exam on 23rd from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay. Right. Oh.
Okay, you please send attendance section C and D student to Kalyan Babu sir, so that sir will post. Thank
Okay.
you. We will see you in the next class. Thank you,
Thank
Kalyan Babu sir. Thank you all of you.
Thank you.